Hello friends, in this video I am going to teach you how to calculate or how to identify maximum value from the selected data range. But how? For this we have max function which is easily available in our Excel. Okay, so in this video tutorial I am going to cover this max function. For this I have already prepared a dummy data which you can see on the screen. In this data I have listed names of few students in the column A, then marks obtained by these students in column B in the subject maths. In the next column I have listed marks obtained in the subject science, in the subject English, and here in the last column I have calculated the total marks obtained by each student. Now here we will calculate the maximum marks obtained in the maths, science and English, okay, with the help of max function. But before that we should know where we can find the max function. Okay, for this there are multiple methods available. The first method is we can find this max function in the formulas tab. In the formulas tab there are different function library or function categories available like financial function, logical function, text function, date and time function, etc. But this max function is available in the more functions category under statistical functions. So once we go to the statistical functions, just scroll down and here we can see the max function. So click on this max and function arguments dialog box will appear on the screen. So here we can type all the numbers from this maths like 60, 73, 47, etc. But this is very time consuming process, so instead of typing manually we can also select the data range which is already available for us and click on the OK button. So here we got the output as 92, as 92 is the highest marks in this subject maths. Similarly we can also calculate the maximum marks obtained in the subject science, but this time we will see different method. As you can see, there are various function categories available in this function library group like financial function, logical functions, text function, but it is not practically possible to remember exactly which function is available in which category. Okay, so many of you may not aware that this max function is available under this more function category and under statistical function category. But don't worry about this, we have this second method which will tackle this problem. So we have to just click on this insert function command and here we can find the search for a function. So here we can just type the name of function. For example, here if we type max and we have to just click on this go button. Once we click this go button, the max function will automatically appear here. Just click on this max and again click on the OK button. Same function argument dialog box will appear again, and here we have to again select the cell range from which we have to obtain the maximum value and click OK. We can see that our output is ready. That it means that 89 is the maximum marks available in this science subject. Now the third and last method which I personally prefer is with the help of keyboard shortcut. For this we have to just press equal to button and type max, that is max, and type or press tab button on the keyboard. Okay, so here again we can see the various arguments we can enter here, and here we can also select the cell range as we selected previous methods. Close the bracket and press enter button. So we can see that we have received the output for English as well. Okay, so I hope you are now clear with all these methods to use the max function. That's all from this video. Thank you. Have a great time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If yes, hit like button and share with your friends. If you have any questions, suggestions or feedback, do let us know through your comments. And most important, subscribe to our channel and press bell icon to get notifications about our newly uploaded videos.